Hello and welcome to this short video about the Luxman D-321. This is older unit from before the days where digital outputs were present. It only has a set of analog RCA jacks. And that, I think, it's its main problem. Other than that, it's a nice and very well looking unit. I mean, it's a bit dirty because I haven't cleaned it yet. I received it as a payment on having a look at this brown player there that I'm yet to have a look at. And that brown is an interesting one, but let's concentrate on the Luxman. It had a simple faults, you know, the trays, a normal thing, and limit switches, so I replaced the belt and clean the limit switches, but then it needed a servo tune, and manuals available, and I managed to do that. So now it plays anything, any CDR and any faulty disc. But let me tell you something about what's inside. The power supply is not very elaborate, but what I like is that you can make it to play anywhere in the world. There's a sort of not only a board where you can change links, but also there is a nice legend explaining how to do it all. As I said, not very elaborate unit, but still has this Analogue Devices 1864N. The guy who gave it to me thought that it wasn't anything great, but have a look what players use that Analogue Devices chip. We have an Audio Alchemy, Calver, Esoteric, Lotte, which I've never heard of, 5 Luxman, Nakamichi, Okano, Orel, Palladium, Parasound, 3 Proceed units, 2 Vadius, and XTC. I mean, there's no El Cheapo